Hi, I'm Captain Kimball Stone, Vice President of Flight for American Airlines. If your ultimate career goal is to become a pilot at American Airlines, Piedmont is an excellent place to start. Piedmont is part of American Airlines Group, which gives its pilots benefits and advancement opportunities few other regionals can match. The most significant being seniority-based flow-through that creates a direct career path from Piedmont to American. Half of our new pilots will come from these agreements with our wholly owned regional airlines, a significant advantage for pilots in a highly selective and competitive hiring process. American is a top choice for experienced pilots because we're the largest airline in the world with the highest paid pilots operating the newest and most modern fleet of aircraft. We have bases in nearly a dozen U.S. cities, as well as world-class training and safety programs. We expect to hire a large number of pilots in the years to come to operate this state-of-the-art fleet. We've received a significant number of applications from qualified pilots for these positions. With its flow-through and other benefits, Piedmont should be a top choice for pilots starting their careers in commercial aviation. Piedmont pilots have access to outstanding training programs, competitive pay, and travel privileges that span the entire American Airlines network, covering 5 continents and hundreds of destinations. From day one at Piedmont, you'll have a career that you can be proud of, with a clear path to becoming a pilot at the greatest airline in the world. American Airlines hopes to see you flying for us in the near future. Thank you.